I was floating in a sea of trouble. It was crushing me, life a struggle. Living in a world of defeat, I looked up to the sky. I was swirling around. Dark clouds chasing me down. A lightning bolt hit its mark. In a moment under red-hot sun, I thought I was done. Lightning in a bottle, I was floating in a sea of trouble. Lightning in a bottle. I looked up to the sky, I was seeing double, double. Dark clouds counting 9 to 5, working it out, doesn't matter. I was seeing a light stuck in a tunnel. Lightning in a bottle. Lightning in a bottle. I was floating in a sea of trouble. Do you wonder why the earth never stands still? Too much drink brings me shame. Do you wonder why? I sure do. Can you tell me if shame is part of the game? Will the dream and will the fame? Do you wonder? I sure do. With hurt in a world of hurt, somebody will get hurt. Lightning in a bottle, I never felt such hurt. Lightning in a bottle, I was floating in a sea of trouble. Lightning in a bottle. I looked up to the sky, I was seeing double, double, double. Clouds counting 9 to 5, working it out, doesn't matter. I was seeing a light stuck in a tunnel. Lightning in a bottle. Lightning in a bottle. I was floating in a sea of trouble. Those days of trouble are behind me. Looking back, it was a sin. Looking out, everything feels right. Cool summer street brings a world of change. Then came the fame, money was a dream. I was dreaming of fast cars under the sun. Life was meant to be fun, fun. Then came the sun, red hot, long legs. I knew I was done.